Right.
I look like an umpa-lumper. Do you know what I look like? You know what Charlie in the Chocolate Factory when she's like that big, like, balloon thing? Yeah, I look like it.
Lily's wearing my coat because she's cold.
No, I forgot to bring
and
mine.
It's sunny and it's warm.
No, it's not warm, it's
and we're
freezing.
at Garth Farm in Snowdonia where I came a couple of years ago.
Freezing now. I wonder if you could camp down here. Could have gone down here.
This is the like cottage thing that you can hire out.
Well, everything I have happening.
But not quite sure. We're having a walk down by the lake, and when we come back we're gonna light the fire, cook some burgers on the fire. It's a bit much windier down here. It's got exactly the same car as us, same reg, virtually, drop plate. We've just been saved from sinking in marshland up to our necks.
Why?
You're going to close the gate, kid? Close the gate. Well done.
How strong am I?
Super strong.
Why is there so much like water?
So much what?
Oh, it's up and down.
The stream. Bluebells are still out round here. See how the ground's all...
Oh my god, it's quite deep.
Wow.
That's deep. Someone can swim in that.
It's fish. Yeah, look.
Where?
See it? Little fish. There.
Oh yeah. Let's see. There's loads.
Yeah.
I bet you could swim in that.
Pond skater on the water there, see him?
Oh yeah, could you swim there?
Oh, easy.
Looks clean, doesn't it?
Looks lovely. Wow, there's loads of fish when you look.
Why didn't I bring my wetsuit?
God, I bet it's cold.
Okay, let me go first. Let me go first.
Go on.
Let me go first. It's actually not that cold, is it? I think.
Okay. Yeah, but it's shallow here, remember? Oh, yeah. Oh, skimmers. Get a skimmer. Need a skimmer. Oh, it's a skimmer.
So you can chuck it this far. So you can chuck it this far, Dad. Ready?
No, so you don't skim. Watch. Ready? Yay! It's a 2 skim.
Let me show you this. Let me show you this.
Go on then.
This is my skin.
That's a really good skim, that is.
Look at my face when I do this. Let me do it again. Let me do it again. I could be good at a shot put.
You're useless at skimming. Wrap it around your waist.
What is your go?
You want... Oh, look at that down there. That's swimmy. That's swimmy, swim, swim.
Oh, look at the fish there.
Oh.
Touch it.
You carry. No, Lel. Shit. I'll carry my coat.
Look how I can do it now.
And then hop, skip and jump. Beautiful here with the stream. It was all, yeah, greeny stuff growing.
Yeah, greeny stuff growing.
I don't know what it is. Underwater grass. So this is the stream.
Ready?
Go on. That's a perfect skim.
What are you doing along?
This is Lily's skimming powers. Watch. Yeah, Lily couldn't skim if her life depended on it.
What about this?
I don't think that's going to skim something. No, you're not wiping it on me, you nung-wagger. You've got to get a flat stone. Like that. Watch. And then down. Oh, was it too skim?
Where? Which one can I go?
It's got to be, yeah, it's good.
Let me do it, let me do it.
Right, it's got to be like that.
Let me do it,
Watch. I'm not going to do it. Do it like that and then flick of the wrist. Not quite, you haven't yet, and flick the wrist. Yeah, go on, down low. Kind of, it was almost a too skim. But we've got to be as flat as possible. Yeah, let me skim it. Let me skim this one.
Let me try. Let me skim this. I can't get it.
Get some out the water. That's a good skim of that. Like that one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Go on. No, you're not getting enough speed behind it. Oh, that was a triple bombardment. Yes, I know that.
If Ivan watches this channel, tell him to not watch it and tell him to go away.
Did you hear that, Ivan? That was really cruel. She
I don't
says,
care, he's horrible to me.
Don't watch it and go away, she said, Ivan. So, hello, Ivan.
He's horrible. He's horrible. He called me. You know what he called me, don't you?
I hope not, Ivan. That's not nice to my beautiful daughter. Right, we're going over to where the waterfall is. And in front of us is Snowdonia. Listen to that roar. Hey, get down. Don't. Don't.
Let me go first.
Oh, sugar.
Oh, sugar. You alright?
Yeah. Careful.
Oh my god, don't press that.
Careful.
My shoes!
Oh, the waterproof. Oh, the waterproof.
The ones that I can?
Yeah.
Dad!
Leave your coat there.
Do you want to sit over there? Go over there.
Spray in the air off the water. The spray in the air off the water. Be careful. Well, we found it down to the waterfall. It's a bit noisy. It's absolutely gorgeous little spot here. Yeah, Snowdon's over there. Right behind us. Beautiful day. Home sweet home. We're in the Modern Tigers smoky hut. Not used this since last winter. I did bring the mountain tent with me. Lovely view, as always. I'm going to get the fire going to keep the... Right, we've got the XL Ridge monkey going on the fire. Lily's in her comfy. Nice and snug. Doing us some burgers, overlooking the lake.
Do you think I've got the sun?
That'll do, but
funny.
Yeah, that was very funny. It's turning out to be a beautiful evening. Somebody's paddle boarding down there.
Two?
In the lake.
You said somebody.
Two. Somebody. Some people. Somebody times two. So yeah, we're cooking our food. 3 hash buns with cheese. And then we've got bacon bits for tomorrow morning for breakfast.
The next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. Turn back time if I could. I would take it all back if I could. I would bring back all the memories, not just only in my dreams. Oh, if
Morning all. Getting old.
Can't really walk that much.
Yeah, getting old. I think we have to walk up along the path. Yeah, you can't get that way. There's no way there. I think you can walk around behind.
You're supposed to wait for me.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Don't leave me.
Snowdon. I'm out of breath. There's the waterfall we could hear.
Probably tiny, isn't it?
Sounds pretty beefy. There is a stile at the bottom.
I'm not going all the way down there.
No, I'm not.
Let's lecture it. Already.
So, you could drive all the way here, park in that bottom corner, put your tent up and you've got Snowdon behind you.
We could have done that.
I know.
Next time we can, can't we? No. Right,
know.
guys, basically, if any of you have like curly hair, I really want my hair to go curly, because sometimes it goes dead curly like when I get out of the shower or the bath or whatever. But I don't know what products to use, so can you give me some tips?
Yeah, can you give me some tips now to get my hair curly as well?
Sure, she hasn't got any. You're
Hear
a
that?
man.
Hear that?
Yeah, but it's not a bad thing, Dad. It's okay.
Jump. Jump.
What's that do?
What's what do?
On that car.
So you can sleep inside it.
Oh.
Probably put a bed in the back.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
It'll just be all for me. Here.
And we'll pack all my coffee stuff away.